Well, welcome back down to the farm. This is Bobcat. We're going to do a little shooting today. The other day I shot some high-powered rifles at the Water Jugs. So today we're going to shoot some lower-powered things and see what happened. First I'm going to start with a 22, a Stinger, and I don't really expect much to happen, but we're going to start low and work our way up. Well, that was a bit more of a reaction than what I thought. It split out the front of the jug. So we'll move up to I believe it's a 380. This is a Sig Sauer 380 hollow point. Again, not a real big reaction, but it split out the front pretty good. So we'll move up to another one. Next we're shooting a 9mm punch hollow point. Should start getting a little more reaction. That's a bit better. It shredded this one a little bit. Next, shooting a 38 special jacketed hollow point. That didn't do a whole lot. It ripped out the front a little bit. Just a small hole in the front, or I guess ripped out the back. So we'll move up. Next, shooting a 357 mag hollow point. Well, that was a bit more of a reaction. Next, shooting my buddy Terry's 44 mag with a jacketed hollow point. That was a little more reaction. Yeah, we're getting where we're ripping up the jugs a little bit more. Next, shooting a 44 mag out of my CVA Scout. Well, that made a fairly nice reaction. Still only ripped it up a little bit, and this is nothing compared to what the 308, 30-06, and 6.5 Creedmoor did. They ripped them into pieces. So anyhow, thanks for being down here where we're shooting a little less potent guns at the Water Jugs. So we'll probably put a video together. So everybody, thanks for being down here. Everybody take care.